Danielle here from the Swan Tavern inside the Schoolhouse. This week, heading into fall, we are going to show you how to make an apple Manhattan. We're gonna smoke cedar and smoke the glass. Our ingredients are apple whiskey. Today we're using Crown Royal, sweet vermouth, some fresh apples, some black walnut bitters, and some Luxardo cherries. And then for the smoking, we'll use a cedar plank and our torch. So the first thing we're gonna do is smoke this glass. We want to light the cedar on fire, get a nice flame going, put it out using the glass. While that fills, over here in our shaker, we'll take some ice, 2 ounces of our apple Crown Royal, or an 8 count, and a ½ ounce of sweet vermouth, 2 counts, the black walnut bitters that you can get at the liquor store, and 2 dashes of that. Shake that together. Now for our smoked glass, we'll use this, fill it with ice. There's 2 ways to make a Manhattan. One would be up in a martini glass, the other would be on the rocks over ice in a rocks glass. Today we chose on the rocks. Strain that over. Garnish with our Luxardo cherry. And a nice wedge of apple. It is a perfect going into fall drink. We're calling it an apple Manhattan.